In today's video, I am reviewing hair from Joice Hair. So I got 30-inch bundles from Joice Hair, and the agent that helped me was Anthony. This is how the hair looks. It actually came in a natural black color, and then I colored it to this beautiful blonde just using some bleach and some toner. And I must say, this is some stunning hair, guys. If you're looking for some good quality hair, Joice Hair has some amazing hair. So what I love about this company is that their hair stays beautiful, straight and frizz-free even after you've bleached it. So I'm really happy about it. Anthony was the agent that helped me out, and if you guys watch some of my videos, you know that I did also purchase some kinky curly afro kinky curly hair from them, and I'm absolutely loving that hair. I still wear it till today, but today we're going to be focusing on this beautiful blonde hair. So this was 3 bundles of 30-inch and an ear-to-ear lace frontal. It was an HD ear-to-ear lace frontal. Oh my gosh, guys, if you're not seeing this, like, look at that. Absolutely stunning. So the hair came in this color that you guys see at the root. I didn't bleach the whole wig. I just wanted it to be this beautiful blonde towards the tips, and then just have it as this beautiful dark root. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the wig so that you guys can see what it looks like. It is an HD lace frontal. I am absolutely loving HD frontals at the moment. I find that they give the most realistic look. They are not for everyone. I think some people are just a bit too rough on their wigs for HD frontals, but in general they are really nice, and the quality of this hair is amazing. Okay, so let's put on this wig. This hair did not come as a wig, it came as bundles and an ear-to-ear lace frontal, and then I made the wig. So this is what it looks like before I glue it down. You guys can see how nice the hair is. I will show you guys the full length of the hair once I've glued it down, so you guys can see how beautiful this hair is, how it moves. So without further ado, let's get into laying this lace, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. So while I'm setting my hairline, I am going to just re-straighten some of the hair, and you guys can just see how it behaves under heat. I'm going to take a nice small section, so I'll take this section right here and straighten it for you guys. I mean, for me, I was really impressed by how it behaved when it was bleached. This hair wasn't smoking up, it was behaving really well, and it never felt stringy, which I really appreciate about it. So this is some good quality hair. I wish I could show you guys my full view, but I will leave the prices. Let me scoot over so I can actually insert them. I'll leave the prices here for you guys to see for the bundles and the frontal. I don't know if they have a pre-made wig that is 30 inches. I really don't know. I doubt it though, but if they do, I will leave the price for that as well, for those of you who don't want to end up making your own wig. Then it would be better for you guys to just buy it as a pre-made wig. So let's talk about delivery, especially for those of you you're wondering how their delivery works. So my delivery was really fast. They used FedEx. I believe you can choose if you want to use FedEx or DHL, but they did use FedEx, and the delivery took just under 5 days. I believe it was 3 days, if I remember correctly. It was 3 days, and it was delivered to my door. The hair doesn't come in any fancy packaging, at least mine didn't. Mine did come with a set of eyelashes. I don't know if that's for everyone or if they just gave me a gift because I bought like long hair. I don't know. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just wanted to be a little bit further away so that you can actually see. So this is how long it is. Literally super long, going all the way there. I really love it. I think it's so beautiful. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will leave Anthony's WhatsApp contact in the description box, and I'll also leave the website in the description box, and you guys can also check out the link to the kinky curly hair, the Afro kinky curly hair that I bought from them previously. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.